Welcome back to All In Driving. Unfortunately, K1 did not have their cameras sorted out for GP, so I don't have that footage. And I'm also on vacation, so I went to high voltage just outside of Cleveland, and they put me on speed 3. I couldn't get on speed 4. They're basically the same OTL carts as at K1. So here's just a little fun shot of me karting. Enjoy. So here are my fastest times of the entire week. I did 2 sessions on Monday, 2 sessions on Friday, the videos from Friday, but these were my fastest times. You've got to get a 21.5 before they let you go to Speed 4, and I was pretty close. In that race, I had 2 other people that were quite a bit slower than me, and I couldn't get more than maybe 2 laps in a row at full speed before I caught one of them. But I really enjoyed the track. If I go back to Cleveland ever, I will probably go again and try to get myself up to Speed 4 and see if I can get in the top of those. But thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it if you stayed till the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.